today we come here to learn a very important skill, that how to use LinkedIn. So honestly, अगर मैं मेरी कहानी बताऊं तो मैंने LinkedIn काफ़ी लेट ज्वाइन किया था. I joined LinkedIn when I was doing my post graduation. एंड ठीक है, पढ़ाई करते करते मुझे पता भी नहीं चला था और मुझे आइडिया भी नहीं था कि लिंक्डइन करके कोई कनेक्ट होता है. बट आई फेल्ट आफ्टर मी ज्वाइनिंग लिंक्डइन, आई फेल्ट अगर ये चीज़ मुझे पहले पता होती तो मैं काफ़ी अच्छे से इसको यूज़ कर सकती थी. नाउ व्हाई डू आई टेल and why am I taking a LinkedIn session today? Because I felt that, you know, if you students are on the platform of LinkedIn now, you can make most of it. And how can you make most of it? There are many questions related to that. People say LinkedIn से सच में नौकरी मिलती है क्या? झूठ है, फेसबुक की तरह है, टाइम पास करते हैं लोग, उसको टिंडर की तरह यूज करते हैं लोग, उसको डेट्स के लिए यूज करते हैं. सी, people will use anything for any reason, but जो उसका core motive है, that is for making it a professional connect, and you have to use it for professional connect. I have got job offers through professional connections on LinkedIn. I have got freelancing offers through professional connect on LinkedIn. I have got one-on-one coaching offers, जो students को मैं one-on-one coach करती हूँ थ्रू लिंक्डइन. मेंटरशिप ऑफर्स थ्रू लिंक्डइन. कोई लोग कहते हैं आप हमारे लिए वीडियो भी बनाएंगे क्या, तो वो भी थ्रू लिंक्डइन मिला है. व्हाई? बिकॉज पीपल सर्च लिंक्डइन व्हेन दे वुड वांट टू हायर समबडी. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ व्हाई वी नीड टू मेक एन अकाउंट ऑन लिंक्डइन. सो फर्स्ट कम, तो आज हमको हमारा मोबाइल बताना पड़ेगा आपको कि उसको कैसे बनाते हैं, हाउ टू यूज लिंक्डइन. So I know you will see a little ulta, because you know I am using the selfie camera side. So this is how you see the LinkedIn. This is my profile. Okay. इसमें सबसे important ये है कि ये जो यहाँ पे जो लिखा है बैनर, ये बैनर बहुत लोगों का empty रहता है. ये बैनर में आपको चीजें लिखनी है ताकि आप बता सके कि आप करते क्या है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई बैनर, यू कैन see that the bold letter is creative videos, because that's my USP. I make creative videos, I make demonstrative videos, and I also teach people. So my banner says relearn, create passion, and I create bite-sized demonstrative videos for paramedical subjects, medical subjects, and laboratory techniques. And I make creative videos. Dr. Vignesh has sent a request to be on the video. After we finish the session, whoever puts a request to be on the video, I'll take them in, and then you can come. So now the banner part. The banner part, you have to make this banner. ये banner में आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. If you're a student, if you're a microbiologist, you're a biochemist, whatever you want to write, write. But write something. It should not be empty. And yeah, people do call also. So this is how the this banner has to be there. For example, suppose if I'm a student of medical, okay, and I put a banner of a medical student interested in microbiology, interested in laboratory techniques, and would like to be a part of diagnostic company or hospitals. You can put it in your banner over here. Whatever currently you are, you have to put that. You can upgrade that banner whenever you feel like. Now coming to the photograph. काफी लोगों का फोटोग्राफ मैंने देखा है जो लिंक्डइन पे होता है. It is not visible. The photograph is not visible on LinkedIn. How? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो लोगों को एक ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड या ग्रे बैकग्राउंड या ब्राउन बैकग्राउंड में वो एक खड़े रहते हैं और उसके सामने वो फोटो लेते हैं. तो आई कैन नॉट मेक आउट कि ये दिखता कैसे है आदमी. और या फिर 2-3 लोग खड़े होते हैं, या फिर यू नो इट्स अ वेरी कैजुअल हाय हाउ आर यू कम ऑन. अदरवाइज इट्स लाइक ऑन अ बीच, ऑन घूमने गए हैं तो वहां का कोई फोटो डाल दिया. सो इट डज नॉट लुक गुड. इट्स अ प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क where a professional attire, have a plain background, and your फेस शुड बी विजिबल. आप फेस दिखाओ और आप स्माइल कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा, but do not smile like this and be over the top. Little smile, but a clear face, a plain background, and your picture should be clear in that. Do not post pictures where you have people with you, क्योंकि लोग आपको हायर करना चाहते हैं, किसी और को नहीं. उनको भी समझ में आना चाहिए यही पर्सन को हायर करना है. Then the name has to be clear. So my name is Dr. Ritu S. Chandel. So your name has to be clear. Whatever your name is, write the correct spelling, write the correct font, try use the capital letters, everything properly, and put proper name. Now comes your description. So my description is MBBS MD Biochem and helping students through bite-sized demonstrative videos. Your description has to be to the point. अब ये to the point क्यों है? अगर suppose कोई MD Biochem को search करता है लिंक्डइन के सर्च पे, तो आई विल अपीयर इन देयर सर्च. सो सपोज इफ somebody searches for microbiologist, so you have to put a microbiologist so that you appear in that LinkedIn search. If somebody searching for a biochemist, you have to put in your description biochemist so that you have to appear in their search. That is why आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. you can write that life at a go and like जैसे इंस्टाग्राम में आप लोग लिखते हैं medico and taking life as it comes. You know that is okay, taking life as it comes and everything. But here अगर आप taking life as it comes लिखेंगे, so it is not necessary नहीं, ऐसा होगा ही नहीं कि लोग आपको ढूंढ पाए. और हम यहाँ पे कोशिश ही कर रहे हैं कि लोग आपको ढूंढ पाए. People have to find you. That is the best thing. Now how come people find me? Because I've put as MD Biochem. So if there is a job offer who they are looking for specifically MD Biochem, तो मैं उनके सर्च में जरूर ही आऊंगी. Because my profile is MD Biochem. So whenever they are searching, I will come. Okay? So that is the most importance of, मतलब बहुत इंग्लिश नहीं लिखना है, बहुत कुछ नहीं लिखना है, बट इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट लिखना है. जैसे अगर आप MBBS स्टूडेंट है तो आप MBBS स्टूडेंट लिखिए. जैसे आप PhD स्कॉलर है तो PhD स्कॉलर लिखिए. जो भी है आप वो लिखेंगे. उसके बाद where the thing is, where do you work? So it says the first name, the last name, and if you have an additional name, you can put an additional name. What do you want your headline to be? So I wanted my headline to be as MBBS MD Biochemistry and giving bite-sized demonstrative videos. You can put anything, whatever is your important thing that you are doing in your life. अगर आपका important आप ऐसा है कि आप freelancer बनना चाहते हैं, content creator बनना चाहते हैं, तो content creator, content creation, ये important word है. इसमें it is not that you have to use high profile words, but you have to use those words that are so important that people would really look forward to that kind of people. Then they have to put as current position, आप जहाँ पे काम करते हैं या आप जहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं वो लिखना है. If you are starting as a second year, masters in science microbiology, put the name of the college if you feel like putting the name of the college, the degree, the institute, everything, and you can put it as show. So sometimes people just come to your profile to see कि इसने पढ़ाई कहाँ से की है, ये कहाँ पे रहता है, ये कहाँ का है, मैं इन लोगों में इससे और बात करना चाहिए कि नहीं. So that way. Now coming to इसमें और आता है, जैसे if you go and check my LinkedIn profile, you will see that I have a creator mode on. So creator mode on is actually because of people who are creating a lot of stuff and putting it. और मुझे सामने से LinkedIn ने इनवाइट किया था कि आप क्रिएटर मोड आपका ऑन कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी पोस्ट करती थी, तो वो कहते थे कि आप अभी अपना कर लो. वैसे आप भी आपका क्रिएटर मोड ऑन कर सकते हैं. देन इज द एक्टिविटी. So activity is saying that I have 3,411 followers, and after that whatever I have posted is coming here. So you have to post something to be on LinkedIn. जैसे आप ना Instagram में you post photographs so that your friends can see and your relatives can see what you have done. on LinkedIn you post something which is related to your profession. अगर आपको दिखाना है कि मैंने आज माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में एक इम्पोर्टेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया है, तो आप वो डाल सकते हैं. अगर आपने आज पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन किया है, या फिर आप किसी और लैब में गए देखने के लिए, या फिर आज आपने कोई एक ऐसा पेशेंट देखा जो लोगों को नहीं दिखता है, या फिर आज आपने कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सीनियर से मिले, या फिर यू मेट अ director of a big institute or a big doctor, a very senior doctor, then you have to post it on LinkedIn that today so and so happened. It was a very nice meeting with him and I learned this from him, and @ उनको टैग करो, वो इंस्टीट्यूट को टैग करो, आप करिए. That is how you go ahead in your journey. So basically what do I write? Like on a World Mental Health Day, I had posted one thing. Then on I posted that I'm teacher with no geographical limitations. Continuously कुछ ना कुछ आपको आपके प्रोफेशन के हिसाब से आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं उस हिसाब से just start posting. It is not necessary that you have to post इतना कुछ एकदम डीप लेवल में कि ये लोगों ने देखना चाहिए, लोगों ने पढ़ना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होता. You have to start posting somewhere, even if one person likes it, even if one person comments it, it's okay to begin with. You don't have to think कि मैं LinkedIn पे क्या पोस्ट करूं. आपको LinkedIn पे पोस्ट करना शुरू करना है. Why you have to start posting on LinkedIn? Because then people will see that you are out there. So LinkedIn is also, you have to make your presence feel. Okay? So start making your presence feel. Start posting content on LinkedIn, and you can tag me along whenever you're posting something, and I will also go through it, give you feedback on it, and definitely give you a like on it. So it will be motivation for you. Then comes the about section. ये about section is very important. इसमें आपको जो relevant है वो लिखना है. इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है ये. आपको वो 2600 लेटर्स दे रहे हैं. यू कैन राइट एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट, बट यू हैव टू राइट रिलेवेंट थिंग. यू कैन नॉट, suppose you are in 12th standard, then you can write what you did in your 8th standard. But suppose if you have completed your masters, and don't go behind in what you did in school at 8th standard, unless and until it was a very big achievable thing. So in the about, I have written like I am a doctor, I teach paramedical, pre-medical students. A link, YouTube channel link is this, Instagram link is this, Facebook link is this. I'm a passionate teacher. I would love to collaborate on videos. I would love to collaborate on talks, speeches, and I've written 1 academic book, 2 non-academic books. My email ID is this. I believe in mental health of my students. So आप जिस चीज में बिलीव करते हैं, आप जो करना चाहते हैं, आप जो लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं कि मैं ये करता हूँ, और लोग उसके लिए आपको अप्रोच करें, you have to put all that on the about section. Then comes the experience section. आई नो अगर आप फ्रेशर्स हैं तो आपके पास इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगा, बट जो भी एक्सपीरियंस है, आपने कहीं पे वॉलंटरी इंटर्नशिप की है, आपने कहीं पे सिर्फ 2 मंथ्स का कुछ सीखने गए थे, कोई सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स किया है, जहां पे कुछ एक्सपीरियंस मिला है, यू हैव टू पुट दैट एक्सपीरियंस एंड राइट इट डाउन. Then is education, where you have done your schooling, where you have done your college, where you have done your post graduation, where you have done your graduation, you have done extra certificate courses after that, postgraduate diplomas after that, put all that. Then comes a very important point, is called as skills and endorsements. इस skills में आप, you have to put those, they give you what you can put as options, and you have to select from that and start posting in over there. और जितने भी लोग आपके नेटवर्क में हैं, वो लोग आपको एक क्लिक देते जाते हैं वहां पे, और उतने लोग आपको एंडोर्स कर रहे हैं. मतलब सपोज हेल्थ केयर है, तो हेल्थ केयर के लिए मुझे 21 लोगों ने एंडोर्स किया, बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट आई एम फ्रॉम हेल्थ केयर एंड द हेल्थ केयर इज माई स्किल. एंड 18 लोगों ने मुझे क्लिनिकल रिसर्च के लिए एंडोर्स किया. सो अब ना ये नंबर देख के आपको बिल्कुल डरना नहीं है. यू शुड नॉट फील दैट ओ मुझे तो सिर्फ किसी ने एंडोर्स नहीं किया, ओ मुझे सिर्फ 2 लोगों ने एंडोर्स किया. कुछ नहीं होता. लोग आपका प्रोफाइल खोल के देखेंगे तो जरूरी नहीं है कि दे विल गिव यू एन एंडोर्समेंट, नथिंग लाइक दैट. But remember, if you get an endorsement from somebody, give an endorsement to that person. Always remember, if somebody gives something to you, you also make it a point to give him back that particular thing. ठीक है, तो एंडोर्समेंट भी दीजिए ताकि आपका भी लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बढ़े, उसका भी लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बढ़े. एंड द अदर पॉइंट इज रिकमेंडेशंस. Ask for recommendations from people whom you have worked with or whom you have internship with. It's important because लोग आपका recommendation जरूर पढ़ते हैं. Now see, I guess only 1 or 2 recommendations and I will be very honest, मैंने जाके मांगा था. हार्दी पटेल, I'm very good. How are you doing? So मैंने recommendation जाके मांगा था उन लोगों से. तो कोई बात नहीं, मांगना पड़ता है. किसी को थोड़ी ना लगेगा कि चलो मेरे को इसका रिकमेंडेशन लिख के देना है. अगर आपने उनके साथ काम किया है और आपने अच्छा काम किया तो यू शुड टेल कि रिकमेंडेशन दीजिए. और जब वापस लोग आपके प्रोफाइल पे आते हैं देन दे सी कि हाँ इसको किसी ने रिकमेंड किया, ये अच्छा ही होगा. और अगर आपको कोई रिकमेंडेशन देता है एंड इफ यू फील दैट यू हैव वर्कड विद दैट पर्सन, यू शुड ऑल्सो गिव अ रिकमेंडेशन टू दैट पर्सन. Next comes your accomplishments. Yes, LinkedIn is a profile where you should boast about yourself. So write publications, how many publications you have. So currently I've put 11 publications. Though I have 16 publications, so I've put 11 publications. Languages, which language you write, read, speak, वो पूरा आपको लिखना है वहाँ पे. Honors and awards. तो आपको अगर किसी कभी honors मिले हैं, कुछ awards मिला है, so you should put up that also. It does make a difference. Always put up what you have got. Then email ID तो आपको डालना ही है. So that is the thing. Now most important is I have got one question. It says whether it is safe and effective way to use LinkedIn. Whether it is safe to put all the data about yourself in the LinkedIn profile. Yes, definitely. You have to put. I mean, सेफ तो आजकल कुछ भी नहीं है. इंस्टाग्राम पे आप आपकी फोटोग्राफ डालते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे आप आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ फोटोज डालते हैं, फेसबुक पे डालते हैं. यू आर गिविंग अ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज टू एवरीबडी अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, व्हाट यू आर नॉट डूइंग. इट्स एवरीथिंग अबाउट यू इज ऑलरेडी देयर. सो it does not matter that whether it is safe or not. You have to put everything on the LinkedIn profile. और मेरा तो ऐसा मानना है, in my personal opinion, whatever you do professionally, put in the LinkedIn profile. If you have got one certificate today, put that. If you have earned a degree today, put that. If you are going and meeting a director of an institute today, put that. With the photograph, put it on your activity, put it as a post, put it as an article, do it. आप लोगों को बताओ कि आप क्या क्या करते हैं. That is the most important thing. That is why you are on LinkedIn. I understand that people have started posting a lot of stuff which looks like Facebook on the LinkedIn. उन लोगों को आप ध्यान मत दीजिए ना. You are here to find the job. You are here to find your freelancing projects. You are here to earn money. You're not there on LinkedIn to do time pass. That's it. Now, one question is, how will you approach any other person? For example, suppose if you put a connect to me, I would definitely accept the connects because I do not think that इसके 2 ही followers है, मैं उसका connect क्यों लूँ, या फिर इसका 1 ही follower है, मैं इसका connect क्यों लूँ. ऐसा मैं नहीं सोचती because I see that if he's a microbiologist student or something related to science background or something related to healthcare, तो मतलब हमारा ही इंडस्ट्री का है तो कनेक्ट बनाना अच्छा है. I will also not see whether the age is low, whether the age is high, इतना senior है, इतना junior है, इतना नहीं सोचती हूँ मैं. But yes, there are many people who will think that मुझे कैसे approach किया इसने. So उन लोगों के लिए you have to write a personalized message when you are putting a connect to them. So in that you can say that I am so and so and I went through your profile and I felt that we could connect and these are our common interests. So you can put a personalized message and you can connect with them on LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn networking is very important. You should at least connect to people. Like, try to connect, if you're very new on LinkedIn, try to connect to 20 to 30 people in a week. Try to make one post a week on LinkedIn and try to message as many people as possible. कुछ भी unshunned message just a here and there message, do not put it. Just do not put it happy Diwali or this or that. Make it professional. I went through your profile. I felt that these were common interests. I could be of help to you or you could be of help to me. ठीक है, टू द पॉइंट बात करना है, टाइम पास नहीं करना है. Now and that is what is about LinkedIn. And if you feel that you have understood a little bit of LinkedIn and you would want to make a LinkedIn profile, as soon as you make a LinkedIn profile today, take a screenshot, tag me on it and put it in your Instagram stories. And also do one more thing. If you feel that I should go through your LinkedIn profile, send me a connect and also send me a message कि हमारा LinkedIn profile check कर लो, and I'll check it. And now if you have any questions, let me know. And if somebody wants to come on the live, then I'll take the person. Anybody wants to ask any questions or anybody wants to come onto the live, please do put a request. The most important thing about LinkedIn is you will actually, what I feel the most important thing about LinkedIn is it's very difficult to sustain on LinkedIn क्योंकि थोड़ा बोरिंग हो जाता है. तो उतना बोरिंग अपने आप को नहीं बनाना है. Once a week come and post what you want to post and at least send 20 to 30 people requests who are belonging to your own industry. So any questions, let me know. Or if anybody wants to come in the live and ask questions directly, please let me know. I mean, you have to send a request. Happy Boy says that it's really good for professional life and is a great social platform and network for professionalism. Definitely, but sometimes I think that it loses the essence of professionalism at times. But it depends on us whether how do we tackle it. Sometimes I find it a little boring. Yeah, I do find it a little boring. But you got to do what you got to do. So there are no more questions. I think everybody's understood. So once you make your LinkedIn profiles or you already have LinkedIn profiles, but if you have not filled all the details, fill all the details, take a screenshot, tag me, Dr. RSC, your doctor, and put it on your Instagram stories. Can we mention the skills which we learn from online platforms such as Coursera? Dolly, you can mention all the skills or ye zaruri nahi hai. It's not necessary that suppose if you are a student, you have to post only a thing that academically you know. For example, if I know baking, I should put that also. Yeah. So everything under the sun is a skill and put it. Naga Ishwarya wants to be on the live. So I'm giving her a request. Let's see if she comes. Everything, Dolly, everything has to be on LinkedIn. Whatever you know. In fact, even the language becomes so important. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग आपको, suppose if you put Gujarati as their language that you know, maybe people who are looking for a professional who can deal with Gujarati, they'll just come to you and see whether and ask whether you would want to work with them. So at that point, even languages become important. I don't know. I sent her a request, but maybe she could not join in or whatever. Any other questions? She is unable to join. Happens with me on my last live. Okay, and I would like to, so two things I would want to tell you. If you have completed your LinkedIn profile and if you have filled everything, all the sections in the LinkedIn, take the screenshot, tag Dr. RSC, and put it in your Instagram stories, and also put me a message on my LinkedIn account if you want me to check your LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so two things. And uh, one more thing that I would want to ask you, because the Diwali festivities are going on, so next Sunday we would not take a live because I think even you would want it a little free day for yourself. So if at all you still want to go on, you still want me to host a live next Sunday, send this. And if there is no this, I'll understand that there should be no live next Sunday. Just waiting for a minute. Okay, so no live next Sunday. A festivity leave for me too. Okay. So a happy Diwali to you, all of you. Have a happy festival season. Eat well, sleep well, drink lots of water, stay hydrated, eat healthy food, and also eat a lot of sweets too. Enjoy, stay safe, take care. Oh, Phenomenal Abhishek says, yeah, he wants a live. Okay. Stay safe, take care, and be happy. Enjoy it with your friends and family. And oh, don't eat too much. That is what I'm saying. Happy Diwali, left answered. Happy Diwali, Dolly. A very happy Diwali to all of you. And that's all for the session. Bye. Take care. Good day. Happy Diwali, Abhishek.